Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew and okro. First, let's create the rich stew base. Begin by blending 4 large tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, and 1 onion until completely smooth. Next, heat about 1/4 cup of your preferred cooking oil in a pot and sauté this blended mixture for approximately 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Then, incorporate your chosen protein, such as 1.5 pounds of beef or chicken, ensuring it's well coated. Now, let's infuse our stew with incredible flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme to the pot, stirring well to combine all the ingredients. For an even richer taste, pour in 1 cup of beef or chicken broth. Cover the pot and let the stew simmer gently on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. While your stew is simmering, let's prepare the delicious okro. Start by washing and slicing 2 pounds of fresh okro into 1/2-inch rounds. In a separate pan, heat about 1/4 cup of palm oil and sauté 1 diced onion until it becomes translucent. Then, add the sliced okro to the pan. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until the okro is tender and slightly softened. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Gently combine your perfectly cooked okro with the rich, flavorful stew, mixing them until well incorporated. Serve this delicious stew and okro hot, perhaps alongside some fluffy rice or traditional fufu for a complete and authentic experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your incredible homemade dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.